At Vodafone Idea, our mission is to deliver the best user experience for our consumers. This vision is continuously driving our network improvements. We are always monitoring our key network KPIs at city and cluster levels to identify potential capacity gaps. We also monitor crowdsourced data to benchmark our network performance against competition. Based on these matrices, we prioritize our investment in areas where additional capacities are needed to deliver the highest performance. We have significantly expanded our 4G and 5G coverages, both outdoors and indoors. In fact, our 4G network is now accessible over 1.1 billion population of India, and we are rapidly building on our 5G coverages. We are continuously increasing our network data capacities and speeds by leveraging the high performance, high capacity technologies. Various feature sets and software upgrades from our suppliers like Nokia. Another key area for focus is energy efficiency. Nokia is helping us deploy solutions that reduce energy consumption in our network while also enhancing the efficiency of it. This supports our aim to deliver high efficiency per watt.
At Claro, we are committed to driving Colombia's digital transformation and competitiveness by delivering broad and high-quality 5G performance. In fact, approximately 70% of 5G traffic in Colombia runs through our network. We measure our network performance with an user-centric approach and a focus on operational excellence, using KPIs such as uplink and downlink speeds, latency, call success rates, energy efficiency, among others. But we go beyond traditional metrics. We combine our own field tests with independent evaluations based on crowdsourced data, allowing us to monitor more than 1,800 active 5G sites across 30 major cities in real time. Additionally, we continuously analyze user feedback to identify areas for improvement, helping us maintain leadership in service quality and customer satisfaction.
So traditionally, mobile networks have been optimized for the downlink performance, and in practice, it means that many of the 5G networks are providing excellent downlink performance, even more than 400 or 500 megabits per second. However, that is not enough anymore. We need to be able to improve also uplink performance, and we need to be able to provide more consistent performance. Uplink is now becoming more important because devices having AI agents and devices are able to create more traffic. Today, if you look at 90 percentile uplink data rate, many networks are delivering only 1 to 2 megabits per second. It's too low. So clearly, we need to make uplink better. Secondly, we also need to be able to have more consistent performance, which means that we need to have more rollout of the new 5G networks. And also finally, energy efficiency and the network efficiency are always going to be critical. So we need to be able to provide better efficiency in terms of spectrum and in terms of energy in our networks.
Technology modernization is very crucial to creating a true digital India with sustainable impact on economy, society, and the environment. We have seen very strong demand for mobile broadband and have accelerated our deployments to deliver seamless, high-speed connectivity to our consumers and enterprise. But modernization is not just about 5G. We are also enhancing our 4G networks with multi-band products that helps us maximize the use of our spectrum assets. Modernization also gives us an opportunity to deploy greener products that deliver higher capacity with low carbon footprint. We have deployed over 100,000 new 4G cell towers in just 6 months, and we were brilliantly supported by Nokia. After this upgrade, we have measured significant performance improvement, 35% data boost in 4G data capacities, 26% increase in 4G data speeds. Nokia is supporting us with future-proof, field-proven solution which scale over massive networks of India. This latest products are also AI ready and help us capture the benefits of software features that leverages AI. Over the time, we expect that RFs and other related orchestration tools will help us process these vast amount of data from networks and boost network performance through AI and automation.
Network modernization is the key driver of the exceptional performance we deliver. At Claro Colombia, we are upgrading all our base, over 10,000 base stations, to accelerate 5G rollout. This includes integrating cutting-edge technologies such as massive MIMO and advanced beamforming. Thanks to our strategic alliance with Nokia, we have deployed the most robust 5G network in the country, featuring a flexible and scalable architecture that enables us to optimize spectral efficiency, support advanced use cases like FWA and cloud gaming, and expand coverage to rural and remote areas, helping to close the digital divide. This deployment not only enhances user experience, but also empowers the digital transformation of our enterprise customers and key sectors such as energy, transportation, and mining.
Field measurements are now indicating that when the network has been modernized, there's a clear improvement specifically in the uplink performance. And the explanation is simple. When you get the latest hardware to the latest features, the receiver performance is better and your uplink is getting the benefit. Secondly, network modernization will also help to make the network standalone ready. When you can refarm your spectrum from LTE to 5G, you will be able to provide full coverage 5G standalone network. I remember that standalone is quite important not only for performance, but standalone is critical also for monetization, which means like RedCap devices, voice over NR, satellite connectivity, L4S solution. So clearly modernization will be quite critical here. And then finally, when you modernize your network, it will be then ready also for the future 6G connectivity.
At Vodafone Idea, our long-term strategy involves three key focus areas: embracing AI across the network, automated configurations based on traffic profile, complementing our terrestrial network with non-terrestrial solutions. One of the challenges of India is it's a vast country with different geographies and fluctuating weather conditions, depending on the seasons. Despite this, we are building a ubiquitous presence and connectivity across India, including urban and rural coverages. We believe AI and automation will help us achieve higher network efficiency and boost the performance where it is needed most. With a comprehensive set of terrestrial and non-terrestrial connectivity solutions, we will be able to extend our reach to the areas which are currently underserved and will also be able to capture new business opportunities. Our vision for the future is clear. We aim to inspire every Indian to build a better tomorrow, and I believe technology has the power to make that happen.
The main challenge is to anticipate future demands for connectivity, speed, and capacity. At Claro Colombia, our strategy is built on several pillars. Invest to connect, demonstrated by our leadership in 5G network expansion. Innovate, through partnerships with technology leaders like Nokia. Co-create, with enterprise customers, developing tailored solutions that boost their productivity and competitiveness. We are proud to say that just 18 months after launching 5G, now more than 4.5 million of our customers are already enjoying the benefits of this technology. This reflects the work we've done to make 5G accessible through affordable devices and plans.
Now remember, the key challenge for the mobile operators is to deliver guaranteed network performance. Another challenge is to maximize the network efficiency, cost efficiency, energy efficiency. And now the strategies to meet these expectations is network modernization, is spectrum refarming, and is launching 5G standalone network. Because all these elements will be able to provide better tools for monetization, and they will also improve the efficiency. We also need to work close to the device vendors to make sure that devices will have the same capabilities as the network, so that the end-to-end performance is provided. Also, we need to make sure that all the AI tools and AI capabilities are enabled for boosting the network efficiency. With a high-performance network, finally, you will be able to support new use cases like public safety, defense, security, and later also important integrated sensing.